Did you know that Earth once had only 10 months in a year, and people lived for up to 1,000 years? Sounds unbelievable, right? Stay with me till the end to uncover the scientific and biblical reasons behind this astonishing claim. Before the flood, Noah's records indicate that the year lasted only 300 days. Imagine this, 10 months of 30 days each. That's completely different from our modern calendar of 365 days, 5 hours, and 49 minutes. So what does that tell us? It suggests that the relationship between the Earth and the Sun was vastly different. We were closer to the Sun, which drastically affected life on Earth. But here's the intriguing part. The Bible often pushes us to look beyond the surface and consider other scientific fields. If Earth had only 10 months and was closer to the Sun, what could that mean? It's simple, faster rotation around its axis. And with this faster spin, the effects on mass, gravity, and even our physical bodies were profound. Faster rotation meant that everything from gravity to the shape of living organisms was different. Bodies would have been elongated, bones denser and stronger. With this rapid spin, water vapor couldn't escape into space. Instead, a water canopy formed around the planet, providing a protective shield. This, in turn, meant that bones had to be stronger to support the pressure from this water canopy. But this canopy was fragile. A meteor strike or asteroid impact could disrupt Earth's angular velocity, causing the water canopy to collapse, leading to the biblical flood. Ancient texts from Greek philosophers even mention the sky fell. Coincidence? I think not. So, a flood would only occur when Earth was spinning fast enough to create this water canopy. After the flood, alternative interpretations of ancient texts suggest that Earth's year extended by 24 days. This shift in the Earth-Sun relationship resulted in the constellation Aries, marking a new era. And here's where it gets even more fascinating. The Bible states that God placed a rainbow as a sign of peace, promising no more floods. But why can't there be another flood? Today, with 11 constellations, Earth no longer spins fast enough to trap water vapor and form a canopy. The conditions required for a global flood no longer exist. That's why so many ancient texts record these great floods, because Earth was spinning faster. As soon as Earth moved away from the Sun, its rotational speed slowed, and the age of floods ended. And that rainbow? It's not just a symbol of peace. It's a sign that rainfall had begun, something Earth hadn't experienced before. But there's more. Why did humans live for up to 1,000 years back then? The answer lies in Earth's rotational speed. The faster Earth spun, the more it slowed down hydrogen molecules in our bodies. Here's the key. Our cells regenerate, but each time, fewer cells are replaced, which is why we age. Today, our cells die and regenerate every 3 years. But when Earth was spinning faster, hydrogen molecules slowed down so much that cells didn't die every 3 years. They died every 30 to 40 years. This meant people aged far more slowly, making long life possible. There's no secret to longevity, just a change in Earth's rotational speed. If Earth were to spin faster again, perhaps we could reclaim some of that lost longevity. So what does all this mean? Species haven't changed, only their forms have. The size of our bodies, the length of our lives, and even the possibility of floods, all determined by Earth's relationship with the Sun and its rotational speed. The world before the flood was a completely different place, a place where the laws of physics, biology, and even time itself operated differently. But now, thanks to changes in Earth's rotation, we live in a world where floods are no longer a threat. Rain falls regularly, and our lives, while shorter, are shaped by this incredible history. What's your opinion on this theory? Is something like this possible, or is it just another theory without scientific foundation? Until the next video, take care.